Hello guys, today is my first vlog in English. I'm gonna speak in English because I think that the whole world must know the truth. I'm sorry if you don't understand me, I'm sorry if I don't remember one or two words immediately because I'm not used to speak in English. I'm from Slovenia, Bosnian roots. I speak Slovenian, speak Bosnian, a little bit of English. I understand most of it, but I'm not fluent speaking man. How can I say? Sorry for my mistakes. Okay, now 2 days ago something happened to me, and because I have a huge Facebook group, I told them I write the how you say status. I write something on the wall, and because 2 days ago something happened to me, and I think that whole world must know for that. I know if you don't know, but I'm not like I'm not the pepper style of man, and I don't eat it much as I should eat it. But now something happened, and I think that it's not good for my health. 2 days ago there was a barbecue behind the house. Some friends were there. They were making chicken and that kind of stuff, and I came along and they told me, come on, eat. I was like full of food I ate before, and they gave me a nice chicken, roasted chicken, and they gave some special things on it, so it was nice and crisp. And they told me, hey, took one pepper there, it's good for your health. And then I was like, oh, I'm not in that stuff. And he said, no, what are you, chicken? And I was like, you won't get me on that kind of how to say fora trick. And I was like, okay, give me just a little piece, I tried a little piece, and it was hot and my mouth burned. But when I combined with chicken and bread and salad, it was good, and I told him, give me a little piece more. It's like eating, oh, it's beautiful, it's tasty, oh my god. And when I finished my, how you say, meal, one girl came and she told me, okay, Dino, where are you? Let's go to the walk, let's go to the walk. And I was like, okay, no problem. I was like, okay, no problem, I'm gonna walk with you, And we started walking, started chatting and that kind of stuff. I was like flirting with her, and she was like, oh, you're my Romeo. I was like, I'm Romeo of all girls here. That's a joke. And I was walking, and some 3 miles from house, I heard the noise. I was like, oh my god, what's that? And something happened in my stomach very quick. We say, ufatio me proljev. It catch me when the shit is in fluent state, It's not in a solid state, it's in fluent. And how can you not let it go? How can you squeeze it to not let it go? And I was like, proljev got me. And I was fucking 3 miles away from home. That's the first time I invented penguin walking. I walked for 3 miles like a fucking penguin. And she was watching like me, and she didn't want to ask me, what's wrong with you? I was like, nothing. And I tell you something. 3 miles of penguin walking is not good for your body, for your health, and especially for your nerves. How can you walk 3 miles like a penguin and on the same time not to show that you're gonna shit yourself? And that girl is politely walking beside you, and like she doesn't know, but she is polite and she doesn't want to tell you, oh, you're gonna shit yourself. What would I do? I was thinking to myself, I must go shit in the bush. But how will you wipe your ass off? How? With the bush? How will you wipe your ass in front of her? And that was something very, very, very difficult for me. And when I came home, like penguin walking, my inside of legs was all, how you say, burned. And I came home. I was, hey, I'm gonna come back quickly. Just wait. I'm just going to take a shower. To drink some water. I was like a half an hour on the toilet. I fucking destroyed the toilet. So this story is telling you never eat the pepper and go on the walk with a girl, because you don't want to feel those nerves cracking. So that's just a little bit my vlog, and I hope you understand it. Next time I'll learn better English, and if you like it, share, subscribe, like it, whatever. Bye.